Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can skip the awakening summon animation in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for beginner that still confused about how this game is works and still confused how you can adjust some option or make some change of the system of this game. For example, you want to skip the awakening summon when you're summon a character or making a gacha. There are some animation that this game show you, but you can skip this for shorter loading. Let's get started by tap the menu, tap the other, and as you can see there are some options here. Tap the third one, the options, and also there are three options here. Tap the other, try to scroll down, and this one, summon animation. Skip awakening summon animation. Just tap this on to skip the animation and make a shorter load. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.